Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up and use Google Assistant on Black Shark Pad 7. So first of all, if you want to set up the hands-free Hey Google, you're gonna have to go to the Gemini application on the home screen. Now here you're gonna have to tap Settings, then scroll down to Settings right here, and then find Talk to Gemini hands-free. Switch the toggle on next to Hey Google, then tap Turn On and wait until this feature is turned on. Sometimes it also requires a restart to start working properly, so let's try to test it out. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Well, as you can see, it's not very responsive yet. Okay, so it heard me. Now the other way to call for your digital assistant is to swipe up from one of the bottom corners. So for example, like this, or like this. It will call your Google Assistant and you'll be able to start talking to it right away. So you just have to say something and it will provide you with the results based on your current context.
It looks like your message got cut off. What were you about to...
Yeah, and besides, we can also make Google Assistant activate after holding down the power button. By default, we have the power options here, but if you go to Settings, scroll down to System and open Gestures, you'll be able to change the value of press and hold power button, and we can change it to Digital Assistant. And right now, if we hold down the power button, we will also call for Gemini's help. Now, I also want to mention that these features that I showed you are all related to Gemini. We can downgrade to Google Assistant, I think like a previous version of it, by going to Gemini application, then opening the sidebar, tapping right here and scrolling down to switch to Google Assistant. I'm not sure how it impacts the overall experience, but if you do so, you're gonna have to set up everything once again, and some of the features will not be available, like Hey Google. Hey Google. Well, as you can see, it doesn't hear us any longer, and we also cannot. Oh no, we can actually call for Google Assistant by holding down the power button. But yeah, for the most experience, enable Gemini and set it up as your Google Assistant, because I don't think there's too much of a difference. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.